Okay, finally I can unmold these, if they'll come out. I've heated it so much to get bubbles out that I probably won't be able to get it out. Okay, I see less bubbles, which is good. I do see bubbles, but it kind of alleviated the real issue, the major bubbles that had floated to the top. I was able to get rid of those, and so there you see what it looks like on the side. There's the white, then the layer of glitter that's sealed in between the clear resin. So I now have 4 more of these done. This one I used the KSResin Ivory Paste for the sparkle, and then Armor Art White and Pinata White, and so it came out whiter, but it has a lot of sparkle to it. So I'm more pleased with this white on this these coasters than the last ones, really. And then these 2 square love coasters. Hopefully I can get them out. This one's got a little stuff going on the back side, where apparently I put my tape and swiped some adhesive from the tape, and it kind of stuck to the coasters.